Welcome to Jobs. Today we're going to do a short video and I'll explain to you how to install one of these Jamb Latches. So stick around. Typically these Jamb Latches are used exclusively on barn doors. Near Liberty Way Farm, we just put a set of barn doors on the greenhouse. So I'll take this opportunity to show you how these things go and how they work. We're going to decide where it's going to go, and it's going to basically be anywhere on the barn door that you can put it securely. So here on these ones, got a back rail here. I think that's where it's going to end up, right there. But I'm going to close the other door to make sure that they match. Well, that's good. Now you can see that our doors tuck in flush here and there as well. So we'll be able to put our gate latches anywhere along here. I like to put them at about shoulder height. Now I'm going to make a couple of modifications to this because I don't like how this is sitting to start with. I'll be cutting these tabs off. I'll just go with the grinder and I'll just take care of that right now. I think we'll be okay with that right there. So we're going to put the hook up on this side. The actual handle of the latch is going to go here. Now the handle of the latch works on a cam method. Let's put the hook into it and I'll show you what I mean. So when this is mounted in here, and when it's time to close it, the cam pulls the latch tight. And we can have it close a number of ways. I think that might be the best way to close it. Yes, I think so. And we can adjust the length of this arm by screwing it into the pillar. There's also a lock nut that's going to go on it as well, and this will tighten up and lock it into place after we've mounted it. So I'm going to put this into place here as if it was in a locked position. So now that this is in here, I can undo this. I can open up the door and get another breeze in here. That's better. Mind you, pretty hot sun too. Now, depending on the material that you're drilling into or screwing into, you could be using countersunk screws instead of these heads. This is what we've been building the greenhouse with. That lot's handy, and that's what I'm using. The issue I have with this is that we're going to fix that in a hurry. Perfect. Okay, and then when you drop that in, just keep tightening this up. Holy cow. like so. And that's going to keep the door very secure. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe. All that great stuff. Thanks for hanging out at Hot Jobs.